I got a new chainsaw to share today. This one was sent over to me. I've already charged the battery up, but this is a 6-inch from IMOUM, whatever that company is pronounced. I have seen their brand around, but I just never have tried one of them yet. You also do get a screwdriver, you get a little bottle of oil, and you do get a little brush that you can clean your chain and stuff with. And then here is our chainsaw. This is a 6-inch and a 21-volt system. It does come with a guard. Let's go ahead and put the battery in and try it out since I haven't tried it yet. And this one does come with one battery. It also does have a little light here. I'm not sure how bright it is, but I don't go out and cut down trees in the dark. Oh, and this one does come with just a little 21-volt charger. All right, let's go cut one of these smaller trees down. We'll try it out and we'll cut something up and just see how well it actually performs. I usually like to use my own oil, but I'm gonna go ahead and use theirs. All right, I'll cut down one of these smaller ones over here. Now this one does not have the automatic oiler, so you do have to add a little bit of oil right to the chain. Try to get it there in the bar. And you're gonna wanna do this every few cuts or so. Yep, that didn't go. Not too bad. And if you need to cut up some firewood, you can use this for some smaller logs. This saw actually has a little bit of power and torque for how small it is. This is better than some of the smaller ones that I have used. I'm gonna say not too bad actually. It has some decent power to it for being a small saw. It cuts through the trees pretty easily. I have shared a couple saws in the past where they kind of bounced a bit. They didn't cut as well. So overall, I'd say this one works really well. And then for those that are curious on how the shavings go, this is what they look like on here. Nice, good little chunks. So the battery still shows full bars, even though we cut down a couple of the little trees and we cut one of them up. But I think for smaller trees, branch work, a little bit of firewood, stuff like that, this is gonna be a great little saw. You can also take it camping, it'd be perfect for that too. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.